Hey, what's up guys, welcome to the channel, and today we are going bushcrafting in Seagaham Reservoir in County Armagh in Northern Ireland.
Guys, this is Dan here, and tonight we are camping, forest camping most likely, in this little shelter. Got a friend, camp here, build a shelter here, and there we are. Get myself ready, pop up a few cans, can hear, toss it around in this beautiful place, nice and quiet, lots of trees. Get away from the wind perhaps, and yeah, here they are.
Still need to build the walls in, you know what I mean? That one to build in, and that one to build in, and then I might get a big tarp and set it up on top there. Just sort of second roof. It's not bad. I'm looking at building software or a bench or something. Let's see. Yeah, alright. Going through there, like, that was perfect.
So this is the fireplace, slightly, and lots of tall trees.
Yeah, so it's time to gather the wood, the logs, whatever we find. So Andy is doing water filtering, and Nell is trying to get this wood to the campsites. Oh dear.
I think it can be a bit modern, like.
What? So, you know where it's at, no?
It's one of these things you have to keep practicing, like,
Cigar, though?
Oh my goodness, huh? It looks like, wow, it's so cool, man. Isn't it?
Yeah, it's good. It's good.
Like,
Not jumping down here like enough. I suppose the camera somewhere else. Yeah, well, it depends where you want it. You don't need it. If you want it here, it's great. If you want it somewhere else. No, but I mean, like, if you're running like the dummy water.
He was a ghost, man. So he was just always walking around. You know what I mean? You bring everybody out.
Anybody cooking at some after? Just us, boy.
You listen to your bullshit all day.
Yeah. Dutch. Hey, wait, there's something.
so this is our campsite tonight, and after a very crazy afternoon, lots of rain, sunshine, cloudy, whatever storm it comes to here, and we finally had our night back. So I don't know what time it is, maybe like 8 or 9 in the evening or so. You can still see the lights around it, but but there's no clouds at the moment, so lots of stars at least. And we got the campfire started right over there. Just try to get all the woods done, and now the fire is going. This is great. So that's Andy over there. In case you don't know, that's his tent there, and he got really nice setups and stuff there. And this is Alex. So what Alex got is he's got a tent there, but because he lived really close, you know what he did? He ran home and he got a big inflatable mattress, like a fully Halfords mattress, and he brought over and he put right in his tent here, so you can feel it, like, you know, fully inflated tents and stuff. And this is the jungle, not the jungle, a little bit of trees and stuff here. So Peter, the one who built these shelters and stuff for these campsites, and we got enough for about 4 or 5 guys in there, but some people prefer to have their own, a bit far away from the fires and stuff, because it's their own preferences. But yeah, but have a look around. So, because it's been built like a really long time ago, and we've got all the weeds and stuff like growing around it nicely, and there's a fire come there. And,
You're right, it is, but that's what I'm saying, there's too much of it, but then they need all that wood anyway.
I want to show you. Look at this one. Beautiful. Lots of beautiful trees. Big, healthy trees. And the river, the lake. And it's not a big place. It's not a big like forest or jungle or some sort of stuff. But you know, for people like us coming and having a chill, have good companies and stuff, this is perfect. So yeah, give a big shout to Peter, who did all his work, and for his invitation as well. And yeah, so hopefully this place will host the Futures party. This is a place where we hung out last night. So Nell, he's the guy joining us from the beginning, and he left earlier, and it was Pete was sleeping there, left earlier as well, and Alex was sleeping there with his hotel bed he brought from his house. Just only me and Andy, the late one. Yeah, so we just pack up our stuff as well. So got all this rubbish. Number one, that we did not remain any litters in this such a beautiful place. The fire have to be 100% dead. Everything is pretty much like tidy, like the way it was. And after that, we can make like a train leave. That's it for now, guys, and thanks for watching. If you like this video, and don't forget to subscribe, and if you already subscribed, so congratulations, and thank you so much for supporting my channel. And if you have anything in comments, please link below, and or any recommendations and stuff, and don't forget to please drop down there. I will read through and respond, and maybe make the next trip
to wherever you suggested, anywhere in Ireland. Thank you so much, and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.